Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a sleek ponytail on natural hair. So you guys will see me transform my hair from this into this super sleek ponytail on my 4C hair. And if you guys are interested in seeing this video, don't forget to watch the entire video. What's up, you guys? You are back with your girl iRock for live, and I know I look whoop, but we're gonna go ahead and change that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss every time I drop a video. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with previously stretched hair. I went ahead and did a few little twists in my hair like the night before, so I'm gonna go ahead and unravel them. So yes, now that that's unraveled, I'm going to show you guys how to make a sleek ponytail on natural hair. So make sure you stay tuned. So I'm going to go ahead and start with detangling my hair with a wide tooth comb. I'm starting at the ends, of course, and then I'm just working my way all the way up. After an hour of detangling, I was finally done and my hair is growing like crazy. Make sure you guys check out my 1 week rice water challenge I did on my hair. But yes, my hair is super thick and luscious and I just love it. So now we're gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair. My hair is literally almost always dry. So I'm going in with water and then I'm going in with this curl activator moisturizer. I love this stuff right here. It's definitely a staple in my routine and I always use it. So yeah. Next we're gonna go in with Emerge. It's a new line at Target and basically this is just a leave-in conditioner that I use every single day just because it gives my hair that extra moisture. And I'm making sure to evenly distribute it throughout my hair. Then we're going to go in with some raw Shea Butter. And then next, we're going to finish up with Argan Oil just to seal in all that goodness I just put into my hair. Like I said, I'm so impressed with my hair. Every day, I swear, it just gets better and better. So I went ahead and sectioned off a little small section at the back of my head. And I'm using a ponytail holder to put the rest of my hair up and out of the way. So I'm going in with the EcoStyle Gel. This is the infamous gel, especially for us girls that have kinkier textured hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the root of my hair in the back. And I'm just going to work that in. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to go just section by section, little random section. I'm going to brush the EcoStyle into the root of my hair just to get it sleeked and down. I'm going to use that ponytail holder and I'm going to just put that into a little loose ponytail out of the way, and I'm going to go in and basically do that same step you guys just seen on random sections of my hair until my hair is completely sleeked down. So I'm going in with the EcoStyle Gel again and I'm putting on the root of my hair and I'm just brushing that in. The way I like to sleek my hair down is this way, and it takes a little bit of patience, but the end result is so much worth it. And your hair is going to be so much more sleeker than just putting the EcoStyle on the top of your head trying to sleek it down. I have 4C natural hair, so that does not work for me to get my hair sleeked down. So doing this and putting the EcoStyle in between each section of my hair gets my hair super flat and literally you guys are going to see at the end of the video. So I just add that section of hair that I just put the EcoStyle Gel on onto the previous section, and I do that throughout my entire head. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the part. Today I made the part on the side. I mostly do because, like, yeah, I just like my parts on the side. And it normally takes me like a few tries to get my part straight. Like, it'd be like surgery, I swear. So once that's said and done, I go ahead and I section out a part on each side of my head because that's where I'm going to slick it down. Instead of going backwards, I'm going to go on the side. So I want to go ahead and finish slicking the back down. Like, literally my hair is sitting on my scalp. Like, I swear, if you have thick 4C hair, whether it's short or long, this is the method for you. Oh my gosh, you guys see how slick and beautiful the back of my hair looks? Like, I don't care what anyone say, you can slick down 4C natural hair, as you guys can see. So now we're moving on to the side of my hair. Lord, look at those edges. Like, don't trip, you guys. Like, they coming in. But yes, I'm going in and I'm just slicking that side down. And you guys are going to see a little bit that I use a different brush when it comes to slicking down my edges because I barely got edges, okay? And I'm using a harder brush on the rest of my hair, but on my edges, I'm using that darker colored brown brush just to get it slick, but not damage my edges any further. So I'm adding that piece to the rest of my hair. And literally the magic in getting your hair slicked down is honestly patience, using a brush, and using the gel of your choice. So yes, you guys will see me do different things throughout my channel to try to get these edges to grow back, but it looks super freaking good. You guys see how slick down that is? Like, yes, edges on fleeky. So we're moving on to the next side, and I'm just putting gel, just doing the same process, brushing using gel. But I will link all the videos down below. I did a hair mask. I did Cardi B's hair mask on my type 4 hair, so I will link that down below. So make sure you guys check out that video. And literally, my hair was so freaking moisturized after that. But yeah, like, I will link everything in the description, and also all the products that I'm using, which is basically one product, which was the EcoStyle Gel. Yo, my hair looks so freaking good. As you guys can see, like, the waves in my hair, which I did not have any wave or anything before, appeared because of the EcoStyle Gel. Like, literally, this gel is absolutely amazing, and it's super affordable. And look how it has my hair looking. Like, yo, if you guys haven't been hip to it, like, get on the train, okay? So this is my beautiful, sleek ponytail on natural hair. My hair is super thick, and as you guys seen, I have 4C hair, and my hair looks super flat and amazing. Make sure you guys stay tuned. You guys see how I bedazzle this little hairstyle just to give it that extra oomph. I'm going to go ahead and start, of course, with edges. And edges is a great way to mask thinning like edges. Like, I love doing edges now that my freaking edges are almost gone. Like, it just camouflages so freaking well. So that's a tip for you guys that have thin edges. So once I was done with my edges, I'm going to use a scarf just to make sure I laid everything down. This step is absolutely essential if you want to keep your hair laid down for the entire day. So I just kept it on for like 10 minutes. So I am back and you're going to see the reveal right now. Dun, 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 dun. And there you have it. Sleek 4C ponytail. Yo, I was so freaking just in awe. You don't even know. But I'm going to go ahead and like spice it up. I'm using this little donut hole I got from the Dollar Tree. It was only $1. So if you guys don't have this, like go get it. Like literally, what are you waiting for? It's only $1. And it's absolutely amazing. It gives you like the perfect little bun like every single time. So I use this like very, very often. So I would like to add a little oomph in my hair with these little bedazzles. I just put it on my hair, you know, just to do a little extra cuteness. And it came out super, super cute. And I absolutely love it. So this is how to sleek down a ponytail on natural hair. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to get a sleek ponytail on natural hair. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are interested in seeing how I do my 4C wash day routine, that video will be right here. If you are interested in seeing how I tried Cardi B's hair mask on my type 4 hair, that video will be right here as well. But that is it. Fish, peace, and hair grease. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.